Today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a campaign in Google Ads. This is a useful feature when you want to replicate a successful campaign structure without having to rebuild everything from scratch, saving you time and effort in your advertising workflow. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard where you can manage all your advertising activities. From here, look to the left navigation menu and locate the campaigns option. Click on it to proceed. This is where all your campaign management tools live, and it's the starting point for duplicating any existing campaign. Once you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand to show you additional options. You'll notice a Campaigns drop-down appear. Go ahead and click on Campaigns again from this expanded menu. This step might seem a bit repetitive, but it's necessary to access the full list of your active and paused campaigns. Now, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the campaigns currently running under your Google Ads account. Take a moment to identify which campaign you want to duplicate. Once you've found it, simply click on the checkbox next to that campaign. You'll notice a blue header appear at the top of your screen with several options. From this blue header, click on Edit. This opens up the editing menu where you can perform various actions on your selected campaign. A small options window will appear with different choices. To duplicate the campaign, click on Copy. This action copies all the settings, ad groups, keywords, and targeting options from your selected campaign. Once you've copied the campaign, you'll need to click on the refresh button located at the top part of your screen. This refresh is important because the header might not update immediately, and a certain option will only appear after refreshing. You might need to wait a moment for the page to fully reload. After refreshing, look carefully at the header section of your campaign list. You'll notice a new option has appeared beside the search icon. You'll see a paste menu. Click on it and then select the option to paste the copied campaign. This action is what actually duplicates your campaign, creating an exact copy with all the same settings and structure. Under the Paste Campaign menu, you'll be presented with two important options. The first option allows you to pause the campaign after pasting, which is useful if you want to make adjustments before launching. The second option lets you adjust the start and end dates for the duplicated campaign. Click on the checkboxes next to any of these options if you wish to implement them. These settings give you control over how your duplicated campaign will behave immediately after creation. Once you've made your selections, simply click on the Paste button to finalize the duplication. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated your Google Ads campaign, giving you a foundation to work from without starting completely from scratch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.